While most of the Greater Toronto Area is seeing price corrections, there's one market that's bucking the trend entirely. Caledon just posted a plus 2.1% year-over-year price increase, with detached homes hitting $1,350,000 median price and showing plus 4.2% growth. But here's what's really fascinating. This isn't just a short-term blip. We're looking at plus 35% growth over 5 years and an incredible plus 101% over the past decade. If you're wondering whether Caledon represents the last bastion of GTA growth or if we're seeing unsustainable price levels, stay tuned because the data tells a compelling story. Let's break down what's happening in Caledon's unique market dynamics, because this community is painting a very different picture from the broader GTA trends we've been seeing. Starting with the overall market snapshot, Caledon's median sold price across all property types reached $1,225,000 in May 2025. That plus 2.1% year-over-year growth might seem modest, but when you compare it to markets like Brampton seeing minus 9.2% declines, Caledon is clearly in a different league. The long-term perspective shows just how strong this market has been. We're looking at plus 35% growth over 5 years and plus 101% over 10 years across all property types. That means properties have literally doubled in value over the past decade, making Caledon one of the strongest performing markets in the entire region. Now, if you're actively looking to buy or sell in Caledon right now, you need to pay close attention to month-over-month data, not just those year-over-year numbers. Year-over-year stats are great for understanding long-term trends, but month-over-month tells you what's happening in real time, and that's critical for your timing and negotiation strategy. Here's the reality. Despite those positive year-over-year price increases, the market is actually slowing significantly, with rising inventory creating downward pressure on prices. This creates a unique opportunity depending on your situation. Detached homes are showing that 4.2% year-over-year growth at $1,350,000 median price. But here's what the month-over-month data reveals. Prices jumped from $1,312,500 in April to $1,350,000 in May. That's nearly a $40,000 increase in just 1 month. However, and this is crucial, active listings increased from 341 in April to 373 in May, while sales only grew from 48 to 51 units. This creates what I calculate as a 7.3-month absorption rate, meaning it would take over 7 months to sell all current inventory at the current sales pace. What does this mean for you? Even though prices increased month over month, the market is shifting in favor of buyers. Rising inventory with relatively flat sales means sellers are starting to feel pressure, even in this strong price environment. Townhouses tell an even more compelling story for buyers. At $880,000 median price, they're down minus 7.6% year over year, creating a fascinating divergence within the same market. Sales increased slightly from 9 units in April to 11 in May, but active listings grew from 60 to 73 properties, a 6.6-month absorption rate. Despite the year-over-year price decline, this segment still shows that incredible long-term performance we mentioned earlier. What makes Caledon particularly compelling right now is this disconnect between the headline numbers and the underlying market dynamics. Yes, prices are still growing year over year, but don't mistake that for a fast-moving market. The reality is quite different. For active buyers, the month-over-month inventory buildup across both detached and townhouse segments means you have more selection and negotiating power than you've had in years. Days on market remain at 25 to 28 days, but property days on market stretching to 39 to 65 days suggests some properties are being relisted, a clear sign sellers are adjusting expectations. Timing is everything. If you're in the market right now, this rising inventory with relatively stable sales creates a window of opportunity. Don't wait for prices to drop dramatically. Focus on the increased selection and negotiating leverage you have today. What's driving Caledon's resilience compared to other GTA markets comes down to location, scarcity, and lifestyle preferences. As one of the few remaining areas offering larger lots and rural feel within commuting distance of Toronto, Caledon attracts buyers looking for space and privacy, preferences that have only strengthened post-pandemic. Based on these market dynamics, here's how you should be thinking about opportunities. For detached home buyers, focus on properties that have been on the market longer than 30 days. Even with positive year-over-year growth, that 7.3-month absorption rate means motivated sellers exist. You just need to find them. For townhouse buyers, this segment offers the best risk-adjusted opportunity right now. You're buying into a market with proven long-term fundamentals at temporarily reduced prices with better inventory selection than we've seen in years. Don't overthink the timing. The inventory buildup we're seeing suggests the market is normalizing after years of extreme seller advantage. This doesn't signal a crash, but rather a healthy rebalancing that creates opportunities for prepared buyers. If you're finding value in this content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you know someone on their own real estate journey who could benefit from this information, be sure to share this video with them. Your support helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Caledon represents something unique in today's market, a community where you can still find growth and opportunity, but the window for optimal entry points is shifting based on real-time market conditions, not just year-over-year trends. The month-over-month inventory increases and absorption rates we're seeing create negotiating opportunities that didn't exist 6 months ago. Whether you're looking to upgrade to that dream rural property or invest in a market with proven long-term performance, understanding these current dynamics is crucial. I want to help you navigate these specific opportunities personally. I've created a free consultation where we can analyze your goals, review current listings, and develop a customized approach for this unique market. You can book a call through my Calendly link in the description below. We can discuss all things real estate and go over an in-depth analysis of potential properties, plus comprehensive market evaluations. As a licensed Level 2 agent, I can also assist in securing optimal mortgage terms or restructuring existing financing to maximize your purchasing power in this premium market. Don't let Caledon's current market dynamics pass you by while you're waiting for perfect conditions. The best opportunities come from understanding what's happening right now, not just what happened over the past year. Stay savvy, stay informed, stay knowledgeable, and until next time, may your investments flourish and your dreams of homeownership become a reality. Catch you in the next one.